Meaning of elide.
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 Elide. The verb elide means to omit or leave out a sound or syllable when speaking, usually to make pronunciation easier or to fit into a metrical pattern. It can also refer to omitting something from a text or speech for the sake of brevity or clarity. The result of elision is that the omitted sound or word is not pronounced or included in the final version of the text or speech. For example, I'm gonna is an elision of I am going to, and the apostrophe indicates that the O in going has been elided.